वदत संस्कृतं, पठत संस्कृतं, वदत संस्कृतं, लसतु संस्कृतं चिरं गृहे गृहे च पुनरपि।
प्रारम्भं कुर्मः।
नमस्ते महोदय।
नमस्ते महोदय।
पठामि संस्कृतं नित्यं, वदामि संस्कृतं सदा, ध्यायामि संस्कृतं सम्यक्, वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम्। संस्कृतस्य प्रसाराय नैजं सर्वं ददाम्यहम्। संस्कृतस्य सदा भक्तः, वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम्। संस्कृतस्य कृते जीवन्, संस्कृतस्य कृते यजन्, आत्मानमाहुतं मन्ये, वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम्, वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम्। गतवर्गेषु वयं लट्लकारः, वर्तमानकालः, अनन्तरं प्रथमपुरुषः, मध्यमपुरुषः, उत्तमपुरुषः एवं वयं दृष्टवन्तः। वाक्ये प्रथमतया वयं पुल्लिङ्गः वा स्त्रीलिङ्गः वा नपुंसकलिङ्गः वा इति पश्यामः। तद् अनुसृत्य अनन्तरम् एकवचनं वा द्विवचनं वा बहुवचनं वा इति पश्यामः। तदनुसृत्य कः कौ के, का के काः, किं के कानि इति प्रश्नं कुर्मः। We have to see the gender first. Then we have to see whether it is ekavachanam, dvivachanam, bahuvachanam. Then again you have to see in that whether it is prathama purusha, madhyama purusha or uttama purusha. This much you have to see. Whether pullinga, strilinga, ekavachanam, dvivachanam, bahuvachanam, prathama purusha, madhyama purusha, uttama purusha. Otherwise what will happen? It will go wrong because many words frequently appearing in pulling, in strilinga, napumsakalinga and pullinga also. Udaharanartham ke, ke bahuvachanam pullinge, ke dvivachanam strilinge, ke dvivachanam in napumsakalinge. And in madhyama purusha and uttama purusha, nothing other than tvam aham will come. Balakaha patasi, wrong. Balakaha patami, wrong. Aham patami, tvam patasi, only this is over. Okay. Tvam madhyama purusha, aham uttama purusha. Tvam patasi, yuvam patathaha, yuyam patatha. Aham patami, avam patavaha, vayam patamaha. While we say patamaha, likamaha, gacchamaha, vadamaha, vayam vadamaha. Patami, gacchami, likami, pashyami, dadami, aham dadami. Patasi, likasi, gacchasi, vadasi, tvam vadasi. Tvam vadasi, yuvam vadathaha, yuyam vadatha. Tvam, yuvam, yuyam only will come patasi, patathaha, patatha ityatra. Patami, patavaha, patamaha. Here aham, avam, vayam only will come. All other goes to prathama purushaha.
Mahodaya, one doubt, Mahodaya.
Vadatu.
In the chart that is being given, where everything is there, sahataute, sahatetaha, also namapadam, also kriyapadam, also prashnapadam. In that, when we do that madhyama purushaha and uttama purushaha, after tvam, yuvam, yuyam, aham, avam, vayam, there is a column which says balakaha, balakau, balakaha, mahila, mahile, mahilaha, and in Uttama Purushaha, there is a column which says Balakaha, Balakau, Balakaha, Mahila, Mahile, Mahilaha. So that means that is why that confusion came that in Uttama Purusham and Madhyama Purushaha, we can use these words. That is
No.
the reason,
Initially,
Mahodaya.
initially that doubt comes. But again and again, I'm telling, in Uttama Purusha, aham avam vayam.
Okay.
In Madhyama Purusha, tvam yuvam yuyam.
No other word will come.
Aham balakaha. Aham purushaha. Vayam balakaha. Vayam balakaha patamaha. Vayam mahilaha patamaha. Aham grihini patami.
Okay.
Tvam grihini patasi. Tvam balika patasi. Tvam yuvati patasi. Yuyam yuvatyaha patatha. Yuyam grihinyaha gachatha. Hope now it is clear.
Yes, sir.
So in Madhyama Purusha, tvam yuvam yuyam only. In Uttama Purusha, aham avam vayam only.
Only. Okay.
Everything else.
Dhanyavadaha.
If the sentence starts from balakaha, mahilaha, adhyapakaha, it is Prathama Purusha only.
Only. Okay.
And one
Spashtam.
more. Spashtam. Uttamam. Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyavadaha.
Today, I may commit a lot of mistakes today. You have to clarify because so many homeworks I received past 2 days, and I also got confused so much things now. So I may go wrong today. That you have to rectify me. Dr. Aruna Bhagini.
Yes, sir.
Agachatu. Etat kim?
Etat etat yanam.
Yanama.
Etat vadam, sir. Manam. Etat vadam.
Etat kim? Screen drishyate nasti kila?
No screen, sir.
No screen, sir. Only we can see you.
Oh, okay. Just screen to see the just to see the screen. Etat kim? Etat kim? Etat kim?
Etat vanam.
I am asking Dr. Aruna Bhagini Bangali. No other one, please. Just read it what I have written.
Bhavan tad vanam.
अस्तु धन्यवादः इदानीं पुनः पठतु इदानीं पश्यतु अहं लिखामि एतत् किम् what I have written now
एतत्
Bhavati uktavati bhavan tat vanam. So you have to read and tell me what is this.
Bhavan etat vanam bhavati.
No. You are seeing the screen or not?
Bhavan tat vanam.
What is the
Bhavanu
first?
tatu vanam.
So both are same only.
No, sir. In na there is a hyphen given in na.
So which one is correct? Which one is correct?
Second one is correct.
Then you should not do the same mistake again.
Okay, sir. I have done that mistake.
Not once. In all places, the same mistake appeared.
Okay, sir. I will correct myself, sir.
Unless otherwise I tell specifically, you are not remembering it because so many times I already mentioned it. And one more point I want to clarify before going to the next step, just for others' information also and your information also. What is this? What you have written is visible? Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
What is this?
I am.
Just I am just asking with Dr. Aruna Bagini only. Just I want a clarification from her because I also
Okay.
forgotten it. That is why.
Okay.
I am.
What is this?
I am, sir.
Ayamma. Astu.
Ah,
Ah.
but I have not.
What is this then? What is this and what is?
Second one is I am.
Astu. What is this then?
Idam.
Idamma. Hindi va, Tamil va,
Idam.
English va,
Idaiyum
Kannada va?
hyphen. அந்த கீழே அந்த hyphen போடணும் sir.
अधोरेखा आवश्यकी अस्ति. अधोरेखा नास्ति नेत् नास्ति चेत् हिंदी भवति. वयं संस्कृतं पठामः. अस्तु वा?
Okay.
Not you are the only person. Others also doing same mistake. What is this as a new word I am hearing here?
Kim.
Kimma.
தெரியல சார், அது எனக்கு சரியா தெரியல.
Writing. What is this you written?
Kimam.
Sorry sir. In key I have to put that bindu. There.
Just listen to me. While we are writing a single word, Kim, Tat Kim, we have to write like this. Tat Kim. Edat Kim. Tat Pustakam. Here we are writing M.
Kim.
Kim Gachati. Kim Gachati. Here we are writing Kim or Kim.
Okay, sir.
Here, just tell me what we have to write here. Kim Gachati. Here, what you have to write? Anuswara or this one? Which one is correct?
Sir, Anuswara.
No. Mata vadati. Whether this correct or this correct or this one correct. Which one is correct?
First one is correct, sir.
First one correct,
sir.
Wrong. I specially mentioned while writing the M. While writing M, we are writing, if you are writing single, always we are writing M only. Pustakam. Darpa, kimasti? Pustakam, Vanam. Patram, Upanetram, Parnam. We are writing M only. After, listen to me, after M, if a Vyanjanam coming, after M, if a Vyanjanam coming, then we should write Anuswara only.
Okay, sir.
If after M, idanim pashyatu, Pustakam asti. This is specially I prepared and sent to the notes. Pustakam asti. What I do, maybe. Or Pustakam asti, which is correct?
Pustakam asti da correct, sir.
No, both are Pustakam asti only. Both are Pustakam asti.
Pustakam asti.
First one was, second one was?
First one, sir.
Why?
Because Vyanjanam is not coming. Only
Hope you are not doing the same mistake again. If Vyanjanam coming only, Pustakam pashyatu. Pustakam pashyatu. Here, Pustakam pashyatu ityatra, you are writing M or Anuswara?
Anuswara, sir.
Anuswara.
Anuswara.
If there is a Vyanjanam coming, then we are putting Anuswara. Unless otherwise a Vyanjanam following M, always M only writing. Astu va? Tat Pustakam.
Sir, not necessarily a Vyargya Vyanjanam, right? Not necessarily a Vargya Vyanjanam.
Not necessarily Vargya Vyanjanam. Any Vyanjanam.
Okay, sir.
Vargya Vyanjanam matter comes in between a word. Chanchalam, Shankaraha, Saundaryam. If it comes in between the but if it is coming in between a word, then we have to put the fifth letter of that varga.
Oh, okay, sir.
Chandanam, Sundaram, Sanchalam, evam. Astu?
Understand, sir. Understand.
What you have to do, you must go through this file once again.
I will write it as a imposition, sir.
Just for information only, I am telling.
Yes, sir. It's
the
a
end-
must for me to correct myself.
At the end, you have
I will
improved.
rewrite, sir.
At the end, you have improved. But in beginning, so many mistakes are there.
Okay, sir.
You see, kau tyajavaha. You have to see the kriya padam. Tyajavaha. Where will come tyajavaha? Avam tyajavaha. No other thing will come there. Avam only. Tyajavaha. Tyajami, tyajavaha, tyajamaha. Avam tyajavaha. Aham tyajami. Avam tyajavaha. Vayam tyajamaha. Astu va?
Okay, sir.
Atha pashadu. Nakshatram bhavati. After m, what is there? Vyanjanam is there. That is why you have to put
Okay, sir.
Anuswara, not m. Throughout, it is the same mistake as there. See, kaha pibanti. Whether it is singular, dual, or plural.
Kaha bibanti is plural.
Plural. So, what will be the answer? Pibanti itself shows a plural. Now, again, you have to see the question word. Kaha. It is Strilinga. Bahuvachanam. So, you have to put Strilinga Bahuvachanam word only. That is why first we have to see the Ekavachanam or Dvivachanam or Bahuvachanam. Then we have to see whether it is related to Pullinga, Strilinga, Napumsakalinga. Then we have to see Ekavachanam, Dvivachanam, Bahuvachanam again. Because K comes in the Pullinga, Strilinga, Napumsakalinga. Then you have to see, refer the Kriya Padam again. Whether it is Ekavachanam, Dvivachanam, Bahuvachanam. Pushpam, writing the letters, you have to be careful. You have to make hurry. Pushpam, pa, pu.
Oh, okay, sir.
Kima karoti. Kima. It is writing. Initially, mistakes are common, nothing to worry, but we have to improve.
Okay, sir.
Now, one more point, again and again I've been telling, vrikshaha, athava vrikshaha. Vrikshaha bahuvachanam va, ekavachanam va?
Bahuvachanam.
Bahuvachanam. Pullinga va, Strilinga va, Napumsakalinga va?
Namushakalinga.
Pullinga.
Vrikshaha is Anana.
Vrikshaha is Pullinga.
Vrikshaha Pullinga. In Sanskritam, materials, things also Pullinga, Strilinga, Napumsakalinga comes. We have to identify by practice only. Because we have seen so many charts now. Vrikshaha, Darpanaha, Margaha, Hastaha. All things comes in the Pullinga category only. By practice, you have to understand it. Karyalayaha, Vidyalayaha, Bhojanalayaha, Devalayaha, Bhaktaha, all comes in the Pullinga only. So, Eshaha Vrikshaha, Etau Vrikshau, Ete Vrikshaha. Thanks for the special effect. Aruna Bhagini. Bhavan Vrikshaha, Bhavan Margaha, Bhavan Kurchaha. What is meant by Bhavan or Bhavati? Bhavan or Bhavati, what it means? Aruna Bhagini.
Bhavan is genter, sir.
Bhavan, what is mean? Bhavan. Why are you using Bhavan? What for you are using Bhavan? Bhavan, Bhavati. Bhavati, Mahila. Bhavan Purushaha, Bhavan Adhyapakaha, Bhavan Yuvakaha, Bhavan Ramaha, Bhavan Govindaha, Bhavati Sita, Bhavati Mahila. What is mean?
Genter, sir. It is genter.
It is gender.
Respectable.
You.
Respectability.
What it mean?
It means you.
So if we go and say for a vriksha, Bhavan Vrikshaha, Agachatu. We go to temple. Shall we say?
Okay, sir.
भवान् मार्गः, भवती द्रोणी, आगच्छतु, वयं क्रीडामः इति वदामः वा? Bhavan, Bhavati is used for only for human being. You, where you have to say you.
You.
Tangal. Aap log. There only Bhavan, Bhavati comes. Whether,
Okay, sir.
even though it is a pullinga word, it is meaningless telling Bhavan Margaha, Bhavati Kupi, Bhavati Gati. It is meaningless. You have to use Bhavan, Bhavati for male, female only. Male, female,
Okay.
person only. Astu, these are the things you have to keep in the mind in future also. The common mistake, nothing to worry. There's a major mistake, but it is free. It should not happen repeatedly.
Okay, sir.
Astu.
Since I am a very beginner, I'm
That is why I specially.
now only I am picking, sir.
That is why I specially called you and informed you.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Sir, I'm nearly done with my homework. By
Oh,
tomorrow morning, I'll be able to
no,
send.
no, you can send after 1 week, Mahodaya, because no time at all. Because I slept yesterday 4 o'clock only. Today morning still pending is there.
No, sir, like they gave us too much homework, sir, in school, sir.
It is also very important. No hurry at all, because I too have no time now. No hurry. Astuva.
Sir, I rewrite all, sir.
Just first go through and understand, then you rewrite.
Understand and then I rewrite, sir.
No hurry at all writing.
Okay, sir. I will take my own time and then I rewrite and send, sir.
First you have to see the template, understand the meaning.
Okay, sir.
Understand how it applies, where it applies. Then it
Okay,
is,
sir.
because this is a combined chart I given, in no book is available.
It's not available in any book.
Today we are studying a new topic, Bandhuvachakaha. Bandhuvachaka Shabdaha. Relationship. We should not depend each and every word's meaning every time. One time we can go through for understanding purpose only. After that we have to remember same thing only. Astuva. I want to know who has not got a chance in the last class. Anyone here who didn't get a chance to read? Please raise your hand. Those who have not got the chance in the last class, they only. Sarendra raising hand but not opening the mic. That is, I am helpless.
Namaste, Mahodaya. Mrs. Premamani.
Please wait. Please wait. I will call. Please raise your hand and keep waited. I will call you. Ravi Shankar Mahodaya.
Mahodaya.
Just read what is there and understand. And you should remember also what that relationship with you.
Agrajaha. Elder brother. Anuja. Elder sister.
Anujava.
Sorry, Agraja. Elder sister. Anujaha.
Why you are skipping?
Younger brother.
Why you are skipping? Agrajaha, elder brother.
Elder brother. Agraja, elder sister. Anujaha, younger brother. Anuja, younger sister.
Bhavataha Anuja asti va? Bhavataha Anuja asti va?
No, na.
Nasti, astu.
Nasti. Only elder brother or elder sister we can say Bhavataha. Bhavataha, Bhavati.
No. I am asking, do you have a elder sister, elder brother?
Yes, I am having a elder brother.
Just yes. You remember, with this word you should remember that. Then only you will understand. Then only you will relate. Simply reading the letters won't help. Agrajaha. What is mean by Agrajaha? You are automatically doing here, elder brother. Your elder brother come and should stand in front of you then. And you should remember his name also. Okay. Agraja. Do you have Agraja? She should come and stand in front
No.
of you
Okay. Okay.
now. Agraja. Next.
Anuja,
Hmm.
younger brother. Anujaha, younger brother. Anuja, younger sister. Amba, mother.
Why you say Amba, your mother is coming in front of you or not?
Yes.
Similarly, for each and every word we are pronouncing or memorizing or remembering, that picture should come into our mind. Then only we will be easily pick up it. That is how we are learning a language. For each and every word, we need not translate it. It automatically flashes in the mind. Astu. Initially, may difficult, uncomfortable. Then what you have to do? You have to forget for 2 hours the entire other world. You have to enter into Samskrita world. Here, Sanskritam only is there. What you will do? If you go Bombay or Delhi, there is Hindi only there. What you will do? Will you run away from there?
No.
That is what you have to think first.
Amba, mother. Avutta.
Avuttaha.
Avuttaha.
What is mean by Avuttaha?
Brother-in-law.
How brother-in-law?
Brother-in-law, sister's husband.
That also you have to remember. Just it is not simply brother-in-law. That word specially meant for sister's husband. Astu. Then
Kalatram.
Kalatram ityukte patni. Patni strilinga shabdah. Kalatram napumsalinga shabdah. Astu. Kalatram means patni.
Janakaha. Janani.
Then
Gayitaha.
why are skipping like that? After Janani?
Janani, Jamata.
Bhavataha Jamata asti va? Bhavataha Jamata asti va?
No. Not at present. In future.
Astu. Dhanyavada. Shighrameva bhavatu.
Okay, thank you. Dhanyavada.
Jamata is a pulling, no?
Kim Bhagini?
Yeah.
Jamata is pullinga shabda. Actually, the root of the Jamata is Jamatru. Rikarantah bhavati. Regarding that, we will study later. Just we remember the word only. Jamata, Jamatau, Jamataha iti na bhavati. Jamata, Jamatarau, Jamataraha iti bhavati. It is a different word. Just you remember that word only. Don't do the Divachanam, Bahuvachanam. Astu. Dhanyavadaha Mahodaya.
Dhanyavada.
You can put down your hand. Usha Iyer Bhagini.
Ha, Mahodaya.
Agachatu. Jamata ityataha patatu Bhagini.
Jamata, son-in-law. Jaya, wife.
Jaya patni kalatram. Samana arthaha.
Jaya is strilinga, sir.
Jaya strilingaha.
Dhanyavada.
Daitaha.
Daitaha. Daitaha ityukte?
Husband.
Husband.
Daita.
Daita.
Wife. Duhita.
Duhita.
Daughter.
Atrapi Duhita is strilinga shabdah, daughter, but it is not Duhita, Duhite, Duhitaha. It becomes another shape. Duhita, Duhitarau, Duhitaraha, Duhitaraha, Duhitaraha iti bhavati. Duhita, Duhitarau, Duhitaraha. Tat bhinna shabdam vayam agre patamaha.
Sudha, sir. Sudha. Sudha.
That will come later. Duhita, agre?
Devaraha.
Bhavatyaha devaraha asti va?
Husband's younger brother.
Bhavatyaha devaraha asti va?
Hasti.
Asti. Don't remember him. Astu.
Devar Patini. Husband's younger brother's wife.
Husband's younger brother's wife. Devara Patni.
Diviraha,
Diviraha. What it means?
husband's elder brother.
Elder brother. Agree?
Divira Pattini,
Uh,
husband's elder brother's wife.
if you having that relationship, you do just note down your name.
Yes,
also.
sir. Dauhitraha, daughter's son.
Dauhitraha. That word has special meaning. Dauhitraha. It is not just a son, what you say, grandson. It is not just a grandson. It is daughter's son. Dauhitraha.
Dauhitri, daughter's daughter. Nanantha,
Nanantha.
Nanantha, sister-in-law.
Don't say enemy.
Nanandupati,
Nanandupatihi.
Nanandupati, Padiha, husband's sister's husband.
Patihi.
Patiha, Patiha.
Patiha nasti. Patihi.
Patihi, Patihi.
Agree.
Patihi, husband.
अस्तु धन्यवादः भगिनी.
Thank you.
तारेन्द्र.
महोदय.
आगच्छतु. अस्ति वा पठति वा?
ओके महोदय. पतिः हस्बैंड, पिता फादर, पितामह फादर्स फादर,
पितामहः
फादर्स फादर, पितामही paternal mother.
Paternal mother.
Paternal mother.
What is paternal mother? What is pitamaha?
Grandfather.
Pitamahi?
Grandmother.
Agree.
Pitru Bhagini. Father's sister.
Bhavatah father's sisters asti va?
Mहोदय.
Smaratu. Agree.
Pitruvyah. Father's brother. Prityuvyajah. Paternal uncle's son. Prityuvyaja.
Pitruvyaja.
Prityuvyaja.
Pitruvyaja.
Pitruvyaja.
Pitruvyaha. Pitruvyajaha. Pitruvyaja.
Prityuvajaga. Prityuvaja. Prityuvyaja Patni.
Pitruvya Patni.
Prithuvya Patni. Paternal uncle's wife. Prithuvya father's sister.
अस्तु धन्यवादः.
महोदय एकशङ्का.
वदतु भगिनि.
पितृभगिनी पितृव्या समान अस्ति वा? पितृभगिनी
पितृभगिनी आमां पितृभगिनी एकशब्दः अस्ति. पितृव्या अपि पितृभगिनी एव अस्ति. पितुः भगिनी पितृव्या अथवा पितृभगिनी.
महोदय.
महोदय पितामही is paternal mother. And what is the word for mother's mother?
I think it is coming later here.
Thank you.
It is coming there later.
This paternal uncle brother.
किं महोदय? किं भगिनि?
Paternal uncle is father's brother, elder or younger? Both.
Both. Pitruvyah it may be an elder or just we are saying he is a brother. Anantaram we have to add Jeshta Kanishta. Jeshta elder, Kanishta younger.
Okay.
Prema Bhagini. Prema Bhagini.
Namaste Mahodaya.
Agachatu.
Namaste Mahodaya.
भवती पठतु. इतः पठतु.
पुत्रः son, putri daughter, पौत्रः son.
Because I specially mentioned it is son's son because it is pautraha dauhitraha. Those two words are there to say grandson. Actually Dauhitra means daughter's son. Pautraha means putrasya putraha.
I have.
दुहिताय पुत्रः दौहित्रः
दुहितुः पुत्रः दौहित्री अथवा दौहित्रः.
पौत्रः son's son. Pautri son's daughter. Prajavati son's grandson.
Prajavati
elder brother's wife.
Who is reading now?
I am Mrs. Premamani.
Astu bagini agachatu.
Prajavati elder brother's wife. Prapautrah. Prapautrah son's grandson.
See, putraha, pautraha, prapautraha.
Correct. Prapautri son's granddaughter. Priya loud. Bharya Patini.
Priyaha loud male.
Okay,
sorry.
Priya
Loud female.
Priya loud male. Priya loud female gender. इसलिए Priya. Bharya Patini.
Bharya or Patni.
Bharya or Patni. Bratruja. Bratruja, brother's daughter.
Brother's daughter.
Bratruja. Okay. Bratrujaya. Brother's wife or sister-in-law. Bratruputraha. Brother's son. Bratriyaha.
Same meaning.
Okay.
Bratraputraha अथवा Bratriyaha same meaning. अस्तु, धन्यवादः भगिनी.
Okay, thank you sir.
सौम्या श्रीनिवासन भगिनी.
Mahodaya, एक doubt here. Just as we have Pautri and Dauhitri, here we have Prapotraha, son's grandson. Is it son's son or son's daughter's son? Both will be the same thing, is it?
Daughter's son Prapautri Dauhitri iti agachati. Dauhitraha Prapautri iti भिन्नम् agachati. भिन्नम् agachati. Agre agachati pashyatu. सौम्या
महोदय, अहं भ्रातृजा मम भगिन्याः
भ्रातृजा
मम पितृभगिन्याः
पितृभगिनी वयं दृष्टवन्तः किल. पितृभगिनी अथवा
पितृभगिनी अहं भगिन्यस्य रिलेशन्
पितृव्या
भगिन्याः भातृजाः अस्ति.
पितृभगिनी इत्युक्ते पितुः भगिनी.
आम् महोदय. What is relation with my and my auntie? Father's sister.
Father Pitrubhagini.
Pitrubhagini. But what I am to her? Bhratujaha.
तत्र आगच्छति, अधः आगच्छति. इदानीं पश्यतु, इदानीम् आगच्छति. Here it comes later. Just to go through. Just you have to wait. Soumya Srinivasan Bhagini.
आम् सर.
कुतः? माता
मदर. मातामहः मदर्स फादर, मैटरनल फादर. मातामही मैटरनल ग्रैंडमदर. मातुलः मदर्स ब्रदर. मातुलानी अथवा मातुला वाइफ ऑफ मैटरनल अंकल. मातुली wife of maternal uncle.
Matulani, Matula, Matuli, all same meaning only.
Same. Matuleyah
son of maternal uncle. Matuleyi, daughter of mother's brother. Matrubhagini, mother's sister. Matruvyah, mother's brother. Mama, uncle. Mitram, friend. Snehitah, friend. Sakha, friend. Sakhi, friend.
तत्र पश्यतु मित्रं नपुंसकलिङ्गः, स्नेहितः पुल्लिङ्गः, सखा पुल्लिङ्गः, सखी स्त्रीलिङ्गः.
ओके सर.
अस्तु, धन्यवादाः भगिनी.
थैंक यू सर.
वनजा भगिनी.
नमो नमः मधु महोदय.
आगच्छतु.
याता सिस्टर इन लॉ.
हाउ सिस्टर इन लॉ?
husband's brother's wife.
Do you have?
Husband's brother.
Just remember.
Shalaha.
Don't please.
Shalaha. Shalaha. Wife brother. Shalaha.
Shalaha अथवा Shalaha. Both are same meaning.
Shalaha, Shalaha, wife brothers. Shalaha, wife.
Shalakaha.
Shalaha, wife's brother.
All same meaning.
Shalaha,
Shalakaha.
Or Shali, wife, brother's wife.
Shali.
Mahodaya, Yata and Devara Patni are the same?
आम्.
धन्यवादः.
तत्र देवरा इत्युक्ते यंगर ब्रदर.
याता for both, is it?
आम्. याता is husband brother's wife, that's all.
Okay.
धन्यवादः. नॉइस अस्ति. वनजा भगिनी नॉइस अस्ति.
न इधर नहीं है महोदय, इधर नॉइस someone.
वनजा भगिनी. Shala, Shali, अग्रे.
Shali, wife, brother's wife. Or Shalajah, wife's brother's son. Shalaja, wife's brother's daughter. Swasru, Swasuraha, Swasuraha, wife's husband, father, wife or husband's father. Swasuriyaha. Swasuriyaha, wife's or husband's brother.
अस्तु, धन्यवादः भगिनी.
स्वस्रुरः.
धन्यवादः भगिनी.
धन्यवादः.
जयंती भगिनी.
आं महोदय.
आगच्छतु. श्वशुरः.
श्वशुरः, wife, husband, father. Swashuryah, wife or husband's brother. Swashurah, husband or wife's father. Sahodar, Sahodarah, brother.
अथवा सोदरः. सहोदरः अथवा सोदरः.
Sahodari or sodari, sister. Snusha, daughter-in-law.
Snusha.
Snusha. Brautruvyah.
Bhratruvyah.
Bhratruvyah. Cousin. Bhratruvya. Cousin, sister.
Normally we are saying no, the cousin. She is my cousin. He is my cousin. In cousin ityatra Bhratruvyah. Bhratruvya.
Both maternal and paternal same.
Just we are saying in English, she is my cousin. He is my cousin. Cousin arthe, general cousin arthe Bhratruvya.
Pitruvya putraha. Father's brother's son. Pitruvya putri. Father's brother's daughter.
Kulardhikaha. Kulardhikaha. कुलर्धिकः.
Son of a cousin.
कुलर्धिकः. कुलर्धिकः.
Mitrushvaro. Mitrushva.
पितृश्वसेयः. पितृश्वसेयः.
Cousin male. Pitrushvaseya. Cousin female.
Same. Bhratruvyah, Bhratruvya iti asti kila? Same only. General cousin.
Matruvyeya. Cousin female.
Matrushvaseya. Matrushvaseya.
Matrushvaseya. Cousin female.
Cousin from mother side. Pitru, father side.
Okay. Pitrushvaseya. Matrushvaseya. Matrushvaseyah. Cousin male. Pitrushvastriyah.
Shastriyah.
Striyah.
Pitrushvastriyah.
Pitrushvastriyah. Cousin male. Matrushvastriya. Cousin female.
Astu. Dhanyavadah. Just you go through leisurely once again and remember those words. Nothing to write.
Sir, how to pronounce daughter-in-law? Daughter-in-law?
Snusha.
Snusha. Snusha.
Snusha. You are remembering very much, I think.
Yes, sir. My daughter-in-law.
Astu. Now we go to next topic. For
cousin, there are many words, no? For cousin, there are many words. They are synonyms, Mahodaya.
Sir, and for friend, there are 4 words.
Just to remember your relationship with their relations. Astu. Then we go to the next topic now. Sankhyaha. Sankhyaha, we have to know in numerically and in aksharam also. Both we have to practice. How to write Sankhya in numerically and in word also. First of all, you have to practice both things. Because in Samskrita Sahityam, we are seeing numerical like this. That we have to identify. How to write Ekam, Dve, Trini iti. Astu, Bhavantaha, Abhyasam kurvantu. Likitva Abhyasam kurvantu. Ekam, Dve, Trini, Chatvari. Like that, you can see from here and write down it. Astu. Jayanti Bhagini over. Mityala.
Mahodaya.
Don't make noise, please. I am telling one time. You have to tell 2 times. Aham ekavaram vadani. Bhavati dvivaram vadatu. Ekam.
Ekam. Ekam.
Dve.
Dve.
Trini.
Trini. Trini.
Chatvari.
Chatvari. Chatvari.
Pancha.
Pancha. Pancha.
Shat.
Shat. Shat.
Sapta.
Sapta. Sapta.
Ashta.
Ashta. Ashta.
Nava.
Nava. Nava.
Dasha.
Dasha. Dasha.
Ekam.
Ekam.
Dve.
Dve.
Trini.
Trini.
Chatvari.
Chatvari.
Pancha.
Pancha.
Shat.
Shat.
Sapta.
Sapta.
Ashta.
Ashta.
Nava.
Nava.
Dasha.
Dasha.
You have to write and practice it yourself.
Can I say by my alone, sir, once?
Okay, tell.
एकं द्वे त्रीणि चत्वारि पञ्च षट् अष्ट
सप्त
नव दश
सप्त अष्ट नव दश
सप्त अष्ट नव दश
You have to by heart up to 100, all of you, to write in numerically and don't try 100 yet single day. It is not possible. You can't remember. Just take 10 set per day. Each day you study, you learn 10 only. Astu, Padmini Bhagini.
महोदय।
नमस्ते
महोदय।
आगच्छतु Padmini Bhagini.
नमस्ते महोदय। आगच्छतु।
दश
दश
एकादश
एकादश
दश
दश
एकादश त्रयोदश द्वादश
द्वादश
दश
दश
एकादश
एकादश
द्वादश
द्वादश
त्रयोदश
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 दश
दश
एकादश
एकादश
द्वादश
द्वादश
त्रयोदश
त्रयोदश
चतुर्दश
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 एकादश
एकादश
द्वादश
द्वादश त्रयोदश चतुर्दश
पञ्चदश
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 एकादश
एकादश द्वादश त्रयोदश चतुर्दश पञ्चदश
षोडश
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 एकादश
एकादश द्वादश त्रयोदश चतुर्दश पञ्चदश षोडश
सप्तदश
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 एकादश
एकादश द्वादश त्रयोदश चतुर्दश पञ्चदश षोडश सप्तदश
अष्टादश
अष्टादश
अष्टादश एकादश
एकादश द्वादश त्रयोदश चतुर्दश पञ्चदश षोडश सप्तदश अष्टादश
नवदश
नवदश
नवदश एकादश
एकादश द्वादश त्रयोदश चतुर्दश पञ्चदश षोडश सप्तदश अष्टादश नवदश
विंशतिः
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 एकादश
एकादश द्वादश त्रयोदश त्रयोदश पञ्चदश
चतुर्दश
चतुर्दश पञ्चदश षोडश सप्तदश अष्टादश नवदश विंशतिः
उत्तमं तत्र नवदश इत्यत्र 19 इत्यत्र two more usage is there एकोनविंशति एक ऊनविंशतिः ऊन इत्युक्ते लेस् इत्यर्थः ऊन एक ऊनविंशतिः 1 is less to 20 that is 19 एकोनविंशतिः अथवा ऊनविंशतिः ऊनविंशतिः that is una is applied only for 19 29 39 49 59 69 79 89 99 una is applied no other places una is applied
Is it una or una?
una
una
una एकोनविंशतिः अथवा ऊनविंशतिः अस्तु धन्यवादः
धन्यवादः महोदय
विभव
Yes, sir.
विंशतिः
विंशतिः
एकविंशतिः
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 विंशतिः
विंशतिः
एकविंशतिः द्वाविंशतिः
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 विंशतिः
विंशतिः एकविंशतिः द्वाविंशतिः
त्रयोविंशतिः
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 विंशतिः
विंशतिः एकविंशतिः द्वाविंशतिः त्रयोविंशतिः
चत्वारिंशतिः
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 विंशतिः
विंशतिः एकविंशतिः द्वाविंशतिः त्रयोविंशतिः चत्वारि चत्वारि चत्वारिंशत्
चत्वारिंशतिः चत्वारि विंशतिः चत्वारिंशतिः
चत्वारिंशतिः विंशतिः एकविंशतिः द्वाविंशतिः त्रयोविंशतिः चत्वारिंशतिः
पञ्चविंशतिः
महोदय एक सन्देहः क्षम्यताम् चत्वारिंशतिः अथवा चतुर्विंशतिः अपि अस्ति किल
आम् अस्ति
अस्तु धन्यवादः
पञ्चविंशतिः पञ्चविंशतिः विंशतिः एकविंशतिः द्वाविंशतिः त्रयोविंशतिः चत्वारिंशतिः पञ्चविंशतिः
षड्विंशतिः
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 षड्विंशतिः षड्विंशतिः
विंशतिः
विंशतिः एकविंशतिः द्वाविंशतिः त्रयोविंशतिः चत्वारिंशतिः पञ्चविंशतिः षड्विंशतिः
सप्तविंशतिः
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 सप्तविंशतिः सप्तविंशतिः विंशतिः एकविंशतिः द्वाविंशतिः त्रयोविंशतिः चत्वारिंशतिः पञ्चविंशतिः षड्विंशतिः सप्तविंशतिः
अष्टाविंशतिः
अष्टाविंशतिः अष्टाविंशतिः
विंशतिः
एकविंशतिः द्वाविंशतिः त्रयोविंशतिः चत्वारिंशतिः पञ्चविंशतिः षड्विंशतिः सप्तविंशतिः अष्टाविंशतिः
नवविंशतिः
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 नवविंशतिः नवविंशतिः विंशतिः एकविंशतिः द्वाविंशतिः त्रयोविंशतिः चत्वारिंशतिः पञ्चविंशतिः षड्विंशतिः सप्तविंशतिः अष्टाविंशतिः नवविंशतिः
त्रिंशत्
त्रिंशत् त्रिंशत् त्रिंशत् विंशतिः एकविंशतिः द्वाविंशतिः त्रयोविंशतिः चत्वारिंशतिः पञ्चविंशतिः षड्विंशतिः सप्तविंशतिः अष्टाविंशतिः नवविंशतिः
त्रिंशत्
Trimshat. Sir, can I tell the numbers from 1 to 30? I'll say quickly.
1 minute. तत्र नवविंशतिः तत्र 29 इत्यत्र एकोनत्रिंशत् एकोनत्रिंशत् अथवा ऊनत्रिंशत्
One less than 30.
One is less to 30. You have to practice in both way, in numerically and in aksharam also. Astu. Ekam.
Yes, sir. Ekam, dve, trini, chatvari, pancha, shad, sapta, ashta, nava, dasha, ekadasha, dwadasha, trayodasha, chaturdasha, panchadasha, shodasha, saptadasha, ashtadasha, navadasha, vimshatihi, एकविंशतिः द्वाविंशतिः त्रयोविंशतिः चत्वारिंशतिः पञ्चविंशतिः षड्विंशतिः सप्तविंशतिः अष्टाविंशतिः नवविंशतिः और एकोनत्रिंशत् और ऊनत्रिंशत् त्रिंशत्.
You have to practice in for writing both ways.
Yes,
just
sir.
write and practice. Don't all of you please by heart it 1 to 100, but don't try in one single day. Take daily 10 set.
Sir.
You can practice as we practice it now. Vimshatihi ekavimshatihi vimshatihi ekavimshatihi dvavimshatihi dvavimshatihi vimshatihi एकविंशतिः द्वाविंशतिः त्रयोविंशतिः विंशतिः एकविंशतिः द्वाविंशतिः. You can keep the file in front of you and tell like that. You will come. Then you have to
sir. One doubt. Sorry for the disturbance. Sir, when we write the numerals in Sanskritam, how to distinguish between eka and dve? More or less they are.
More or less same only. But there is a small difference is there. See, 1 and 2. Small difference is visible there. If you write like this, 1. If you write like this, 2. It's a little longer.
Write
like
8. How to write 8 and 9?
8. How to write 8? 8 will come like this. 8.
Till 10, sir, please.
What?
1 to 10, please.
अत्र अस्ति file मध्ये clear अस्ति किल? In this file it is very much clear.
Yes, sir. Sankyaha.
In this file, already sent I.
Yes, sir. Sir, since I learned Hindi and the numericals are same, but not the words, it's easier for me.
अस्तु, उत्तमं, धन्यवादाः.
धन्यवादः, sir. राम राम.
इदानीं समयः कथं वक्तव्यः इति पश्यामः. एकवादनं द्विवादनं एकवादनं द्विवादनं त्रिवादनं एकवादनं द्विवादनं त्रिवादनं चतुर्वादनं. All of you repeat it there.
So can you write those words?
Will come. Just I am telling in word now. Just you can, all of you can repeat it there.
The file.
What, madam? Kim Bagini?
You have sent it to us. You have written it and sent it to us.
Ekavadanam.
Yes, sir, you told Delhi.
Dvivadanam. Trivadanam. Chaturvadanam. Panchavadanam. Shadvadanam. षड्वादनम् एकवादनं द्विवादनं त्रिवादनं चतुर्वादनं पञ्चवादनं षड्वादनं सप्तवादनं सप्तवादनम् इदानीं कः समयः इदानीं कः समयः इदानीं चतुर्वादनं प्रश्नं पृच्छामः कः समयः चतुर्वादनं एकवादनं कः समयः द्विवादनं कः समयः त्रिवादनं कः समयः पञ्चवादनं कः समयः षड्वादनं कः समयः सप्तवादनं कः समयः अष्टवादनम् इदानीं कः समयः इदानीं कः समयः दशवादनम् इट इज नॉट दशवादनम् एकादशवादनम् Just keep muted and listen to me. इदानीं कः समयः? Question will be इदानीं कः समयः? इदानीं चतुर्वादनम्. Somebody was asking, right and show. All of you are seeing, right? एकवादनम्. कोऽपि पठतु.
एकवादनम्.
द्विवादनम्.
दाक्षायणी भगिनी.
हाँ महोदय.
आगच्छतु एकवारं पठतु पापम्. Can you read
इदानीं समयः इदानीं एकवादनम् इदानीं द्विवादनम्.
Not necessary. इदानीं every time need not say. इदानीं कः? Somebody is asking. इदानीं कः समयः? इदानीं एकवादनम्. अनन्तरं पुनः पृच्छति चेत् द्विवादनं त्रिवादनं like that only.
Okay.
पठतु.
स्क्रीन கொஞ்சம் ரோல் பண்ணணும். त्रिवादनं चतुर्वादनं पञ्चवादनं षड्वादनं सप्तवादनं अष्टवादनं नववादनं दशवादनं एकादशवादनं द्वादशवादनं.
अग्रे त्रयोदशवादनम् अस्ति वा?
नास्ति.
Sir, only 24-hour clock.
No, mine is 12 hours only.
Yes, sir. Sir, idanim can also be called as adhuna, right, sir?
Adhuna, idanim. Adhuna and idanim one and same. Adhuna. Adhuna is equal to idanim.
Sir, but idanim is more popular, right, sir?
Why? Adhuna is what it made mistake to you?
No, sir, I'm just asking.
Adhuna and idanim. Idanim nasti. Idanim. Now. Tadanim. Then. Idanim and adhuna one and same meaning. Now. Tadanim means tadanim. Tadanim means then, that time. Idanim, tadanim. Astu. Dhanyavadaha. While writing, you should be careful. It is a one word. Saptavadanam, Ashtavadanam, Navavadanam, Dasavadanam, Ekadasavadanam is one word.
One word.
You should not write Eka Vadanam, Dvi Vadanam. You should not write like that. It is one word only. Astu. Now I am going to little further. You be careful while writing hereafter. One 0.05. पंच अधिक एकवादनम. पंच अधिक एकवादनम. 25 कथं वदामः?
पंच अधिक द्विवादनम.
द्विवादनम.
35
पंच अधिक त्रिवादनम.
अस्तु, धन्यवादः.
Sir, time now is एकादश अधिक चतुर्वादनम.
अस्तु, अधुना एकादश अधिक चतुर्वादनम. While writing, you have to careful. You have to put a hyphen there because it is a one word. We are splitting it for your easy purpose. Otherwise, there sandhi and everything comes. That is why, to avoid all these confusions, we are putting 3 words there and marking one hyphen there. Pancha adhika ekavadanam. Dasha adhika dvivadanam. Dasha adhika trivadanam. Dasha adhika chaturvadanam. Dasha adhika panchavadanam. Evam. Now it comes to 15. There we should not say panchadasha adhika. We should not say. We will say sapada. Pada is quarter. Sapada, along with the quarter. Sapada dvivadanam. Sapada trivadanam. Sapada chaturvadanam. Sapada. Sapata nasti. Sapada. Now it becomes 20. 320. 20, how will say? Vimshatihi. Vimshatihi adhika trivadanam. Vimshatihi adhika trivadanam. We are not putting a hyphen here because it is some grammar portion is there. That is why. Vimshatihi adhika trivadanam. Here only we are putting a hyphen. 420. 420 katham vadamaha? Vimshatihi adhika chaturvadanam.
Vimshatihi adhika chaturvadanam.
520.
Vimshatihi adhika
chaturvadanam.
Vimshatihi adhika.
Panchavadana.
I am hearing adhika chaturvadanam here, perfectly hearing. Vimshatihi visarga avashyakam.
Vimshatihi adhika panchavadana.
Now it becomes 25. What we say for 25?
Panchavimshatihi
adhika panchavadana.
Panchavimshatihi adhika chaturvadanam. Panchavimshatihi adhika chaturvadanam. 525 katham vadamaha?
Panchavimshatihi
Panchavadanam.
Dhanyavadah. Just listen to me. Now it becomes 30.
Sardha Panchavadana.
In 30, we should not say trimshat. Trimshat adhika panchavadana iti na vadamaha. Tatra sardha. Sardha panchavadhanam. You should be very carefully notice where we are putting hyphens. Sardha panchavadhanam. Sardha panchavadhanam.
Sir, idanim sapada chaturvadanam.
Evam va? Astu. Sardha panchavadhanam. 6:30 katham vadamaha?
Shadvadanam.
7:30 katham vadamaha? Sardha saptavadanam. Now we are going 5 minutes further. 6:35. 35. Panchatrimshat.
Panchatrimshat adhika chaturvadana.
पञ्चत्रिंशत् अधिक एकवादनं, पञ्चत्रिंशत् अधिक द्विवादनं, पञ्चत्रिंशत् अधिक चतुर्वादनं, पञ्चत्रिंशत् अधिक पञ्चवादनं,
पञ्चवादनं, पञ्चत्रिंशत् अधिक षट्वादनं,
सप्तवादनं. Now it becomes 740. 7 for 40 चत्वारिंशत्. For 40 चत्वारिंशत्. For 30 it is त्रिंशत्. For 40 चत्वारिंशत्. चत्वारिंशत् अधिक
पञ्चवादनं, चत्वारिंशत् अधिक पञ्चवादनं, चत्वारिंशत् अधिक षट्वादनम्.
अत्र I think here is one written is
Sir, your voice is coming very low, sir.
In written in the Sankhya written one is mistake is I think चत्वारिंशतिः नास्ति चतुर्विंशतिः. It is चतुर्विंशतिः. I correct it. It is चतुर्विंशतिः. Please note, I will send the file again. चतुर्विंशतिः. It is a typing mistake only. चत्वारिंशत्. चत्वारिंशत् इत्युक्ते 40. चत्वारिंशत् अधिक सप्तवादनम्. 840 कथं वदामः? चत्वारिंशत् अधिक अष्टवादनं, चत्वारिंशत् अधिक सप्तवादनं, नववादनं, etc. etc. Now we are going to 45. For 45 we are saying una. Pada una navavadanam.
Shamyadam Mahodaya. Please ask everybody to mute, and I please tell you are teaching us. Let us all listen to you, sir.
Yes, Guruji, correct.
Please.
Everybody is shouting together, Mahodaya.
Please listen to me.
Lot of noise, Mahodaya.
Now you are clear. Everybody is under mute now. Please, I will call. Till that you don't open. Anyone, please. 8:45. 8:45 katham vadamaha? Pada una. Pada is quarter. Una is less. In Sanskritam, it is a special type of telling here. Quarter una to next time. Pada una navavadanam. 8:45 katham vadamaha? Pada una navavadanam. Pada una navavadanam. Pada una dashavadanam. 9:45. 9:45 katham vadamaha? Pada una dashavadanam. 10:45. 10:45 katham vadamaha? Pada una ekadashavadanam. 4:45. Pada una panchavadanam. 5:45. Pada una shadvadanam. Astu va? From 45 it goes una only. 45, 50, 55 goes una. How? Dasha una dashavadanam. 9:50. 9:50. In 50, dasha una dashavadanam. 10:50 katham vadamaha? Dasha una ekadashavadanam. 5:50 katham vadamaha? Dasha una shadvadanam. 3:50 katham vadamaha? Dasha una chaturvadanam. Now 5 minutes less. 10:55. Pancha una ekadashavadanam. Pancha una ekadashavadanam. Pancha una dvadashavadanam. 11:55. Pancha una dvadashavadanam.
Sir, sorry for the disturbance.
2:55. Wait. 2:55. 2:55 katham vadamaha? Pancha una trivadanam. 4:55. 4:55 katham vadamaha? Pancha una पञ्चवादनम् अस्तु वा? एनी डाउट नाउ?
Yes, sir. Sir, I noticed one thing very strange after it comes Una, sir. Sir, after that, it's 8:45 and that's Ashtavadanam, but it comes Navavadanam.
Yes. In Sanskritam, when 45 comes, we are telling the next time. Next sankhya.
No, in English also we say 8:45.
In English, we say quarter to. That's quarter.
English also we say that.
अस्तु,
8:45.
उत्तमं, धन्यवादः. डॉक्टर रंजिनी भगिनी.
महोदय.
इदानीं कः समयः?
इदानीं इदानीं 22 how to
अत्र चित्रं दृश्यते किल? You have seeing the screen, right?
this okay sapada.
For 15 we should say sapada. Sapada panchavadanam. Sapada panchavadanam.
Sapada panchavadanam.
6:15 कथं वदामः?
Sapada
षड्वादनम्.
Sapada षड्वादनम्. अन्ये जनाः म्यूट् कुर्वन्तु प्लीज. I am asking Ranjini Bhagini only. इदानीं कः समयः? सार्ध वा?
3
इदानीं कः समयः?
It is 6. सपाद षड्वादनम्.
सपाद षड्वादनम्. धन्यवादः भगिनी.
Yes, thank you.
बृंदा श्रीराम भगिनी.
हाँ महोदय.
आगच्छतु. नॉइस् मास्तु. इदानीं कः समयः?
सार्धत्रिवादनम्.
सार्धत्रिवादनम्. 4:30. इदानीं कः समयः?
सार्धचतुर्वादनम्.
7:30. कः समयः?
सार्धसप्तवादनम्.
उत्तमं, धन्यवादः.
धन्यवादः.
Sir, you have sent us 5:30 as Sapada Panchavadanam.
I sent, altered it and updated it. I altered it and resent it again today. You might have not noticed it. Just take the second file. Don't take the first file. Astu? Usha?
Yes, sir. I downloaded the first file, but then I'll delete it and download the second file.
उषा नंदिनी भगिनी.
हाँ महोदय.
आगच्छतु. इदानीम् एकः प्रश्नः अस्ति. इदानीं कः समयः? 8:30 इति दृश्यते.
ओके. सार्ध अष्टवादनं.
सार्ध अष्टवादनं. 2:30.
सार्ध द्विवादनं.
द्विवादनं. द्विवा अस्ति.
द्विवादनं.
3:30.
सार्ध त्रिवादनं.
धन्यवादः भगिनी.
थैंक यू.
अक्षय भट्ट महोदय.
Yes, sir.
4:30.
Sapada Chaturvadanam.
4:30 वा?
Sardha Chaturvadanam.
सार्ध चतुर्वादनं. 4:15.
Sapada Chaturvadanam.
5:15. Sapada
Panchavadanam.
7:30.
सार्ध सप्तवादनम्.
उत्तमं, धन्यवादः.
धन्यवादः.
अनुराधा रमेश भगिनी.
महोदय,
इदानीं कः समयः?
इदानीं पादोन द्विवादनं.
पादोन, पाद ऊन द्विवादनं. पाद ऊन अथवा पादोन, पाद ऊन द्विवादनं. 3:50 कः समयः?
3:15.
3:50 50.
इदानीं दश ऊन चतुर्वादनं.
10 ऊन चतुर्वादनं. 7:50 कः समयः?
10 ऊन अष्टवादनम्.
उत्तमं, 10 ऊन अथवा 10 ऊन अष्टवादनम्. अस्तु, like that we have to practice the timing, how to tell time. Astu va, hereafter at home don't say 5:10, 10:10, okay, 11:10. You have to say dasha adhika dvivadanam, sapada chaturvadanam, sapada ashtavadanam, panchona saptavadanam. Like that you have to tell the timing hereafter. Astu, dhanyavadaha.
आम् महोदय.
Sir.
Vadatu.
Sir, one doubt, sir.
Vadatu.
Sir, when we have other letters like 10, 15, 20, 25, so is it something to do with multiples of 5, or in between also we can tell the timings, sir?
In between also, no problem.
So take it from this 100 what you have given us earlier.
No,
from that we have to take it.
Not like that. Ekavadanam, Divadanam, Trivadanam. Like that only.
How do we see 422, sir?
422. Dvavimshatyadhika Chaturvadanam. Dvavimshatihi adhika Chaturvadanam.
Got it, sir. Got it, sir. Thank you, sir.
Astu.
Up to 45, after 45 ऊन.
Quarter pado sapada. Half ardha sardha. Quarter pada una. Astu, dhanyavadah. Balambike Mata.
हाँ महोदय.
We are continuing with the Sattvarimshat. Up to Trimshat we have finished, 40%.
Yeah, Trimshat.
30.
Trimshat. Eka Trimshat. Ega nasti eka.
Okay. Eka trimshat. Eka trimshat.
Dvatrimshat.
Trimshat. Ega trimshat. Tvatrimshat.
Trayatrimshat.
Trayatrimshat, Trimshat, Yegatrimshat, Tvatrimshat, Trayatrimshat,
Chatustrimshat.
Chadustrimshat.
Chatustrimshat.
Trimshat.
Sir, one sir, how to write in the blanks, sir?
What, Mahodaya?
How to write in the filling the blanks? How to write? There are two dash in the filling the blanks.
Nothing.
What to write?
You have to write the same word here.
Okay, sir.
For practicing purpose.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
भगिनी वदतु
Yeah.
चतुस्त्रिंशत्
चतुस्त्रिंशत् चतुस्त्रिंशत् त्रिंशत् एकत्रिंशत् द्वित्रिंशत् द्वात्रिंशत् त्रयस्त्रिंशत् चतुस्त्रिंशत्
पञ्चत्रिंशत् पञ्चत्रिंशत्
पञ्चत्रिंशत् पञ्चत्रिंशत्
पञ्च नास्ति पञ्च नास्ति पञ्च
पञ्च पञ्चत्रिंशत्
पञ्च नास्ति पञ्च
पञ्च पञ्च पञ्चत्रिंशत् पञ्चत्रिंशत् त्रिंशत् एकत्रिंशत् द्वित्रिंशत् द्वात्रिंशत् त्रयत्रिंशत् चतुस्त्रिंशत् पञ्चत्रिंशत्
षट्त्रिंशत् षट्त्रिंशत्
षट्त्रिंशत् षट्त्रिंशत्
एकत्रिंशत्
एकत्रिंशत् द्वात्रिंशत् त्रयत्रिंशत् चतुस्त्रिंशत् पञ्चत्रिंशत् षट्त्रिंशत्
सप्तत्रिंशत्
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 सप्तत्रिंशत् सप्तत्रिंशत् एकत्रिंशत् द्वात्रिंशत् त्रयत्रिंशत् चतुस्त्रिंशत् पञ्चत्रिंशत् षट्त्रिंशत् सप्तत्रिंशत्
अष्टत्रिंशत्
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 अष्टत्रिंशत् अष्टत्रिंशत् अष्टत्रिंशत् एकत्रिंशत् द्वात्रिंशत्
Sir, it is written Shatatrinshat. It's not Ashta.
We are now
It's Shatatrinshat.
We are now अष्टत्रिंशत् भगिनी वदतु
एकत्रिंशत् द्वात्रिंशत् त्रयत्रिंशत् चतुस्त्रिंशत् पञ्चत्रिंशत् षट्त्रिंशत् षट्त्रिंशत् सप्तत्रिंशत्
सप्त
अष्टत्रिंशत्
शब्द नास्ति सप्त शब्द नास्ति सप्त
सप्तत्रिंशत् अष्टत्रिंशत्
महोदय क्षम्यतां महोदय
नवत्रिंशत्
नवत्रिंशत् एकत्रिंशत् द्वात्रिंशत् त्रयत्रिंशत् चतुस्त्रिंशत् पञ्चत्रिंशत् षट्त्रिंशत् सप्तत्रिंशत् अष्टत्रिंशत् नवत्रिंशत्
It is षट्त्रिंशत् षट् षट्त्रिंशत् सप्तत्रिंशत्
सप्तत्रिंशत् ओके
नवत्रिंशत्
महोदय क्षम्यताम् अष्टात्रिंशत् किल
अष्टात्रिंशत् अष्टत्रिंशत् द्वयमपि अस्ति भगिनि
अस्तु अस्तु धन्यवादः
नवत्रिंशत् ओवर
नवत्रिंशत् ओवर नेक्स्ट वन
चत्वारिंशत् चत्वारिंशत्
चत्वारिंशत् चत्वारिंशत् चत्वारिंशत् एकत्रिंशत् द्वात्रिंशत् त्रयत्रिंशत् चतुस्त्रिंशत् पञ्चत्रिंशत् षट्त्रिंशत् सप्तत्रिंशत्
नास्ति सप्त
सप्तत्रिंशत् सप्तत्रिंशत् अष्टत्रिंशत् नवत्रिंशत्
चत्वारिंशत्
चत्वारिंशत्
अस्तु
चत्वारिंशत्
तत्र नवत्रिंशत् नवत्रिंशत् इत्यत्र
नवत्रिंशत् एकोन शब्द एकोन चत्वारिंशत् ऊन चत्वारिंशत्
भगिनी
again चत्वारिंशत्
भगिनी एकोन नास्ति
एकोन
चत्वारिंशत्
एकोनचत्वारिंशत्
तमिळ् नास्ति भगिनी संस्कृतं चा जाजान्य चत्वारिंशत् नास्ति चत्वारिंशत्
चत्वा ओके एकोनचत्वारिंशत्
चत्वारिंशत् सा नास्ति
चत्वा ओके एकोनचत्वारिंशत्
अस्तु धन्यवादः
ओके धन्यवादः
you have to rectify 2-3 things. One ka ga nga, it is no go or go, nothing. तत्र का अनन्तरं चा जाजान्य इति अस्ति तत्र सा इति न वदामः चा एव धन्यवादः कस्तूरी भगिनी
महोदय
आगच्छतु
चत्वारिंशत्
एकचत्वारिंशत् तत्र एक्चुअली द्विचत्वारिंशत् इति भवति तत्र लिखितं दोषः अस्ति 2 नास्ति द्विचत्वारिंशत् तत्र द्वा नास्ति द्विचत्वारिंशत्
Sir, please repeat, sir. Voice is not clear, sir.
Dvi, it's written as the, it's the.
Dvi, it should be dvi.
B.
Astu, you can try later also. Chaitra Bhagini.
महोदय
आगच्छतु नाइस् मास्तु कट नाइस् आगच्छति एकचत्वारिंशत्
द्विचत्वारिंशत् एकचत्वारिंशत् द्विचत्वारिंशत्
त्रिचत्वारिंशत्
एकचत्वारिंशत् द्विचत्वारिंशत् त्रिचत्वारिंशत्
चतुश्चत्वारिंशत्
चतुश्चत्वारिंशत्
एक निमिषम् पुनः वदतु भगिनि चैत्रा भगिनि
चत्वारिंशत् एकचत्वारिंशत् द्विचत्वारिंशत् त्रिचत्वारिंशत् चतुश्चत्वारिंशत्
पञ्चचत्वारिंशत्
चत्वारिंशत् एकचत्वारिंशत् द्विचत्वारिंशत् त्रिचत्वारिंशत् चतुश्चत्वारिंशत् पञ्चचत्वारिंशत्
तत्र षट्चत्वारिंशत् अत्रापि लेखनदोषः अस्ति षट्चत्वारिंशत्
षट्चत्वारिंशत् षट्चत्वारिंशत् एकचत्वारिंशत् द्विचत्वारिंशत् त्रिचत्वारिंशत् चतुश्चत्वारिंशत् पञ्चचत्वारिंशत् षट्चत्वारिंशत्
सप्तचत्वारिंशत्
सप्तचत्वारिंशत् सप्तचत्वारिंशत् चत्वारिंशत् एकचत्वारिंशत् द्विचत्वारिंशत् त्रिचत्वारिंशत् चतुश्चत्वारिंशत् पञ्चचत्वारिंशत् षट्चत्वारिंशत् सप्तचत्वारिंशत्
अष्टचत्वारिंशत्
अष्टचत्वारिंशत् अष्टचत्वारिंशत् चतुश्चत्वारिंशत् एकचत्वारिंशत् द्विचत्वारिंशत् त्रिचत्वारिंशत् चतुश्चत्वारिंशत् पञ्चचत्वारिंशत् षट्चत्वारिंशत् सप्तचत्वारिंशत् अष्टचत्वारिंशत्
नवचत्वारिंशत्
नवचत्वारिंशत् नवचत्वारिंशत् चत्वारिंशत् एकचत्वारिंशत् द्विचत्वारिंशत् त्रिचत्वारिंशत् चतुश्चत्वारिंशत् पञ्चचत्वारिंशत् अष्टचत्वारिंशत् सप्तचत्वारिंशत् अष्टचत्वारिंशत् नवचत्वारिंशत्
पञ्चाशत्
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 पञ्चाशत् पञ्चाशत्
एकचत्वारिंशत्
एकचत्वारिंशत् द्विचत्वारिंशत् त्रिचत्वारिंशत् पञ्चचत्वारिंशत् सारी षट्चत्वारिंशत् सप्तचत्वारिंशत् अष्टचत्वारिंशत् नवचत्वारिंशत् पञ्चाशत्.
अस्तु, you have to practice numerically and in word also. Don't take the previous file. I will send updated file now. Here 2-3
Mahodaya, 46 is ta, no? Ta. Okay.
Shat. I will update. I will correct and update it today.
Okay.
While writing, this mistake happened. Sorry for that. Astu. After 50, we will see the next class. Don't overload one day itself. So we have studied Samayaha, and 1 to 50 we have studied today. Just go through this one, and we will continue it in next class. Astu.
Sir, we also studied Bandhu Vachaka.
Bandhu Vachaka also is there. Just to go through it. Don't by heart it. Just to read it and remember it. That's all. While reading, you have to remember your relatives, so that it will easily understood. Astu, just to go through this. I think we can stop here today.
Mahodaya. Mahodaya.
Astu Mahodaya.
Small request.
Vadatru.
I want gender, feminine and masculine, male and female gender names as a chart.
What chart? Like that, there is no chart is there. By practice only we are studying. So many words we have. One chart I have already sent to you.
Already sent. You have sent it.
I made a list. Whatever I know, I remember.
Is there in the drive? That chart is missing.
Mahoday.
Sir, you will update in the Google Drive.
There is no fixed listed anything. Just whatever I had, I returned. I made a list and I sent it already.
Sir, you update
With the meaning I'll send, I remember.
In Drive, there is a 28/5 date is there. In that you can see it is there.
28/5, sir. 28/5.
28/5 in Drive. You go
Poo,
there
Stri.
in the notes. Pullinga, Strilinga.
Napumsaklinga, all three are there.
Three are there. Magadhya has written. Said what you are asking, he has written.
Because there is a ready-made, nowhere it is available. We have to compile ourselves only.
Okay, sir.
To see the Drive on 28/5 dated Drive.
28 dated. Okay, sir. Thank you.
28/5.
28/5. 28/5 Drive.
Dhanyavada. If I retrieve it, I'll send it again.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Otherwise, you have
Today
to
Bhagavad Gita is there.
Bhagini has not come.
Sir, one doubt, sir.
Today is
The
not
sentence-
Friday.
What?
This is Sumati, sir.
शुक्रवासरे भगवद्गीता अस्ति
बुधवासरे भगिनी आगच्छति इति मन्ये अद्य सा बहिः गतवती अस्ति शुक्रवासरे आगच्छति इति मन्ये एकनिमिषं तिष्ठन्तु we try to chant Bhagavad Gita. I think up to 13 we have studied, right?
Yes.
We try. I am not familiar.
Sir, all of us along with you, we will try, sir.
But I am not that much familiar with the Gayanam and everything. You may be knowing.
12, sir. Up to 12, ma'am has finished, sir. Up to 12.
Astu. All of you have to mute and tell along with me. But I am not master as Bhagini is doing, okay? Anyone?
Mahodaya, before that, can I ask you one question? Can you tell me how to use that dictionary? I just want to remind you on that if you have time. That Droni, I'm not able to key in. How to key in that? No.
First of all, you have to type in Sanskritam it's only. Then only you are getting the exact throw ni Pashatu. You are getting here.
Okay.
If you try in English, it may, if you like lucky only. See, drone. I tried for na. You have to capital na.
Okay.
Otherwise, it will take as na only.
Yes, I'm not getting. If I type Droni to understand the meaning, I'm not getting it. That is why.
Even Droni also, if I am typing, you are getting here. You have to select what is the exact word you wanted.
Okay, you have to type in English. DRO.
If you type in Sanskrit, it will well and good. If it is,
sir, is it an app or is it a file, sir?
Bhagini?
Is it an app or is it a file, sir?
It is a website only.
Website only. Okay. If we get any app like that, it will be very useful.
There is no app such app. Only by website only.
Okay.
You have to type the correct spelling. If you type in Sanskritam, it will give the prompting. It will be correct. If you type in English, sometimes it may go wrong also. It may not.
In Sanskritam, how do you type Dro, sir? Droni Mahodaya? Dro in Sanskritam. That letter key, from the mobile, if I have typed the key, I'm not able to put the Drew. How to put the Drew? How to select that?
What mobile you are using?
iPhone, sir.
iPhone, I don't know actually. So anybody who is using iPhone here, please suggest.
Mahodaya, Safari. You have to go to Safari.
Name Bhagini?
And then you can type on Safari. You have to type Sanskrit dictionary for spoken Sanskrit.
Yeah, I've got that Samskrita, that this thing, language I've selected and kept.
Reporting
but
about.
There is an orange color app. You will get
This is Srikala.
logo, orange color logo.
Who is suggesting now? Srikala Bhagini?
No, sir, not me. I have an Android phone.
Okay. Who is Bhagini? Who is suggesting this one?
Manisha.
Manisha
Bhagini, va?
Mahodaya.
अस्तु
क्लास
प्लीज कांटेक्ट मनीषा भगिनी आफ्टर द
Yeah,
क्लास
okay, I'll do that, Mahodaya. Thank you. I will do it. Thank you.
धन्यवादः
धन्यवादः.
now
धन्यवादः
let us try to Bhagavad Gita Parayanam, and I am telling I'm not familiar as to Bhagini as doing, and just we try. Anyone can Anugayanam do? Without
Sir,
noise.
Srikala.
Without noise only.
Sir, Srikala.
Wait. Only one person. Srikala Bhagini.
Yeah.
Srikala Bhagini. Others, you have to chant there, muting yourself along with me. Astu? Others don't open mic. You have to chant there. Let us practice here. Om Shri Krishna Paramatmane Namaha.
Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Bhakti
Srimad
Yoga.
Bhagavad Gita. Dvadashodhyayah. Bhakti Yoga. Arjuna Uvacha.
Evam Satata Yukta.
I will chant. You have to the Anugayanam.
I have to repeat after you, sir? Okay.
Arjuna Uvacha.
Arjuna Uvacha.
Evam Satata Yukta ye.
Evam Satata Yukta ye.
Bhaktastvam paryupasate.
Bhaktastvam paryupasate.
Ye chapyaksharamavvyaktam.
Ye chapyaksharamavvyaktam.
Tesham ke yoga vittamaha.
Tesham ke yoga vittamaha.
Shri Bhagavanu Vacha.
Shri Bhagavanu Vacha.
Maya Veshya Mano Ye Mam.
Maya Veshya Mano Ye Mam.
Nitya Yukta Upasate.
Nitya Yukta Upasate.
Shraddhaya Parayopetaha.
Shraddhaya Parayopetaha.
Te me Yukta Tamamataha.
Te me Yukta Tamamataha.
Ye Tvaksharamanirdesyam.
Ye Tvaksharamanirdesyam.
Avyaktam Paryupasate.
Avyaktam Paryupasate.
Sarvatra Gamachintyam cha.
Sarvatra Gamachintam Chintyam cha.
Kutasthamachalam dhruvam.
Kutasthamachalam dhruvam.
Sanniyamyendriyagramam.
Sanniyamyendriyagramam.
Sarvatra samabuddhayah.
Sarvatra samabuddhayah.
Te prapnuvanti mameva.
Te prapnuvanti mameva.
Sarvabhutahite rataha.
Sarvabhutahite rataha.
Kleshodhikatarastesham.
Kleshodhikatarastesham.
Avyaktasakta chetasam.
Avyakta sakta chetasam.
Avyaktahi gatir dukkham.
Avyakta hi gatir dukkham.
Dekhavadbhiravapyate.
Dehavadbhiravapyate.
ये तु सर्वाणि कर्माणि
ये तु सर्वाणि कर्माणि
मयि सन्न्यस्य मत्पराः
मयि सन्न्यस्य मत्पराः
अनन्येनैव योगेन
अनन्येनैव योगेन
मां ध्यायन्त उपासते
मां ध्यायन्त उपासते
तेषामहं समुद्धर्ता
तेषामहं समुद्धर्ता
मृत्युसंसारसागरात्
मृत्युसंसारसागरात्
भवामि न चिरात् पार्थ
भवामि न चिरात् पार्थ
मय्यावेशितचेतसाम्
मय्यावेशितचेतसाम्
मय्येव मन आधस्त्व
मय्येव मन आधस्त्व
मयि बुद्धिं निवेशय
मयि बुद्धिं निवेशय
निवसिष्यसि मय्येव
निवसिष्यसि मय्येव
अत ऊर्ध्वं न संशयः
अत ऊर्ध्वं न संशयः
अथ चित्तं समाधातुम्
अथ चित्तं समाधातुं
न शक्नोषि मयि स्थिरम्
न शक्नोषि मयि स्थिरम्
अभ्यासयोगेन ततः
अभ्यासयोगेन ततो
अभ्यासयोगेन ततः
अभ्यासयोगेन ततः
मामिच्छाप्तुं धनञ्जय
मामिच्छाप्तुं धनञ्जय
अभ्यासेऽप्यसमर्थोऽसि
अभ्यासेऽप्यसमर्थोऽसि
मत्कर्म परमो भव
मत्कर्म परमो भव
मदर्थमपि कर्माणि
मदर्थमपि कर्माणि
कुर्वन् सिद्धिमवाप्स्यसि
कुर्वन् सिद्धिमवाप्स्यसि
कुर्वन् सिद्धिमवाप्स्यसि
कुर्वन् सिद्धिमवाप्स्यसि
ॐ तत्सत् श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु
ॐ तत्सत् श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु
धन्यवादाः भगिनी
धन्यवादः महोदय
सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः
धन्यवादः महोदय शुभ सद्यान्तः
पठत संस्कृतं वदत संस्कृतं पठत संस्कृतं वदत संस्कृतं लसतु संस्कृतं चिरं गृहे